Angela Thomas was a 32-year-old single black mother living in Detroit. She worked two jobs, one at a nursing home during the day and another cleaning offices at night, just to keep her two young children fed and sheltered. She never missed a shift, paid her rent on time, and did everything a responsible mother should do. But one day, after her youngest missed a few too many school days because she couldn't afford daycare, a school counselor reported her for neglect. What happened next shattered her life. CPS showed up at her door and, without warning, took both her children away, placing them in foster care. Angela pleaded with the courts, showed her pay stubs, letters from her employer, even neighbors who vouched for her. But none of it mattered. The system wasn't built to listen. The judge said she was unfit because she didn't have stable childcare. But where was the help when she needed it? This story isn't just about one mother. It's about the thousands of hardworking black parents in America crushed under the weight of poverty, judgment, and a system that claims to protect families but often tears them apart. How many more Angelas are out there suffering silently,